So, hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket. And today we are testing out Sora 2, the most realistic video generation model by OpenAI on Higgsfield. Yes, you heard it right. As you can see on the platform, there are multiple other options to generate, but we would be going with Sora 2 for creating some sample videos and testing out how good the Sora 2 model is. Let's get started. Let's try out here on Higgsfield. As you can see, describe your image or drop an image here, and it would be able to generate a video alongside an audio as well. Sora 2 aspect ratio is 6 to 9. You can change that to a Reels format as well. The duration is 12 seconds. You can generate it for 4, 8, or 12 seconds. Let's get started. Let me describe a basic scene. Kids playing in the park with fireball, chattering with each other. So this is a basic prompt that I've given. It should not take more than a few seconds. So let's see how it generates on Higgsfield AI. It's in the queue right now, and we'll be testing out a few more prompts. And not just that, it has multiple other models too, but we are trying out the most viral Sora 2 model. As you would have seen on the internet, there are many use cases people are using Sora 2 for now, and they are running even full Instagram channels. It's one of the most realistic video generation models so far, and it is going for an AI slop now. The model looks crazy, and this is our time to test out the model for sure. Kids playing in the park with fireball, chattering with each other. I think in parallel also we can run a few more things. So let me write down another prompt. A close up shot where the hero is running on the train fighting with villains. Bullets are getting fired at the background. Let's hit enter. And there are two. So as you can see, we can also run multiple video generations using Higgsfield AI using Sora 2. And not just that, you even have image generation as well. You can't use human faces as input images. Try using copyright free characters. Upload image or generate it. So right now it's in progress, the two prompt that we have given. Let's try out this third one also. I think we can run for 4 concurrent. So I'm uploading this particular logo of my channel, Data Science in Your Pocket, as you might have seen. So not just text prompt, you can even provide image with a text prompt, and boom, you get a video out of that too. Help me generate a motion video where the AI text written on the laptop zooms out. Let's change aspect ratio now. We will change the duration as well. Add some guitar background. So let's hit enter. I think we can run now. It is a third one that is gone into the queue for now, and two generations are in progress. This will take some time, but as you know, Sora 2 is one of the best AI models that has been released by OpenAI. So here is our first video. Kids playing in the park at fireball, chattering with each other.
Catch it, Maya. Got it! Whoa, it's warm. Ready? Heads up. My turn. Nice throw. Coming back to you, Leo. Fake out. Nope. Here it is. Take it, Ivy. Whoa, going Watch high. It. Got you. And back over. Yes. Let's keep. Catch it, Maya. Got it. Whoa, it's warm. Ready? Heads up. My turn. Nice throw. Coming back to you, Leo. Fake out. Nope. Here it is. Take it, Ivy. Whoa, going Watch high. It. Got you. And back over. Yes. Let's keep.
This is unbelievable. If you hear, this is looking almost realistic. The dialogues are absolutely correct and in sync. Now you have also got an option to enhance your Sora video, stabilize it more. You have an option to download this as well. So I can even download it from Higgsfield AI with an option the team has given you. And it's a 12-second video, which is quite long too. Now looking at the second one, it has gone against the guidelines and hence can be removed for now. So we won't be jumping onto that. This is the Third video that I was talking about. Very interesting. I think all the two videos were great. The second one was not generated because of the guidelines. Now let's try out something else. Let's generate some dialogue videos now. A girl talking to a boy and expressing her feelings that I love you. Let's generate. We would be creating it for 8 seconds this time. And let's the aspect ratio be 6 to 9. This has gone into the queue for now. We will delete this one. So in this one we will be talking about the audio capabilities of the model. Apart from that, both Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro run non-stop, no limits, no waitlist on Higgsfield. As you can see, it is generating you instant results within a few minutes. Apart from that, as you can see, the quality of the videos is quite tremendous and Hollywood is shaking. Apart from that, we can try out something else again. I will be trying out the same prompt, but this time a boy talking to a girl, and I want to see how the model handles this too. Talking to a girl. Sora 2 has just leveled up everything, and I think no model is able to match its performance. We are keeping everything same, and let's see how the two videos that are generated in this run would be different from each other. It is perfect for Instagram reelers who wants to create new pages without putting up much effort. You're also providing an audio, and this is a crazy time to in content creation, that is for sure. And Higgsfield is providing you with this access to everyone at a minimal cost. And here are our results. So as you can see, a girl talking to a boy and expressing her feelings that I love you. Let's listen to this.
I keep trying to find the right time to say this, but there isn't one, so here goes. I love you.
Love you too, more than I can say.
This is absolutely crazy. If you notice the lip sync, I'll again rerun
I
this.
keep trying to find the right time to say this, but there isn't one, so here goes. I love you.
Love you too, more than I can say.
Oh my god. If you look, both the characters are also talking to each other. So that is a very complicated thing to do. And Sora 2 is just cracking it up. And we have the same prompt in reverse, a boy talking to a girl. And as you can see, the same characters are coming out almost similarly. Let's listen to this also now. Are the dialogues also the same? Let's check it out.
I've been trying to say this for a while and I don't want to mess it up, but when I'm with you, everything feels right. I love you.
You do?
Yeah, I really do.
This is very interesting. If you look, it is looking realistic. The dialogues are completely in sync, and I think Hollywood is gonna shake up now. Not just that, you also have other models also. As you can see here, Sora 2 is this, and Sora 2 Pro, Sora 2 Max is also there. So Sora 2 generates in 720 pixel. Now we'll try out Sora 2 Pro with a few prompts. A dinosaur talking to a boy saying it will destroy the world. Let's hit enter. That goes into queue. Let me try another prompt and we'll test out Sora 2 Pro also for the new resolution, that is 180p. Let's try it out now. A panel of interviewers taking a data science interview for a candidate. Now this would be a little challenging, I would say, because depending upon the content, I think I also need to hear what audio they're speaking. Yes. So we are back, and this time we will be first of all testing out a dinosaur video.
Little human, this world will burn. I will tear it apart until nothing breathes.
You don't have to do.
Little human, this world will burn. I will tear it apart until nothing breathes.
You don't have to do.
This is very interesting. If you see, Sora 2 Pro also looks amazing, and this is the 180 pixel video that we have created. It has taken some minutes, but I think the output should be great.
Thanks for joining us today, Raheem. Let's start with your favorite project. What problem were you solving?
Sure. At my previous role, we predicted equipment failure for wind turbines. I built a gradient-boosted model that cut downtime by 18%.
What data sources did
This is amazing. It is able to ask a
Thanks for
genuine
joining
question,
us today, Raheem.
and the
Let's
interviewers
start with
are
your
looking
favorite
into saying
project.
this
What
is
problem were you
a
solving?
realistic
Sure. At my
theme
previous
for
role, we
sure.
predicted equipment
I
failure
think
for wind
Sora
turbines.
2
I
and
built a
Sora 2 Pro
gradient-boosted
are going to kill it up. Do try out the models in Higgsfield AI. The link is present in the comment section and in the brief descriptions as well. There are many other models that you can try out. This looks to be great, and I think Higgsfield AI is serving you all. So do try out the models and let me know in the comment section how you feel about it. Thank you so much.